Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Printful with eBay. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So to use Printful with eBay, what we need to do first here is we need to actually access our Printful account. So in this case, go to printful.com, log in into your account by clicking on the sign in or log in button at the top right of your screen. But once you've logged in, this is the UI that you'll be seeing right now. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to connect our two accounts. So in order for us to use Printful with eBay. So typically, you do this by going to the left panel here and clicking on Stores. Now, you have two options here. We have the Manual Order Platform API option, but we also have the Choose Your Store platform. Let's go ahead and click on the Choose Platform button here. Now, from here, you should be able to see a number of stores or platforms to connect your Printful account. But whenever you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see a section for eBay, as you can see right now, eBay Marketplace. Let's go ahead and click on Connect. Now, once you click on it, it's actually going to give you instructions on how to connect your account. So there are actually 5 steps for you to complete this one. So first is going to authorize your eBay account, fill out some general information, add your view the payment policy, the return policies, and finally finalizing it. Now in this case, the first is going to be authorizing your eBay account. In this case, go ahead and click on Connect eBay. It should redirect you to the sign in page here. So go ahead and just sign into your account to connect your eBay account with Printful. Now it's going to say general information. So you need to fill out the necessary details here. So that includes the brand name that you want to show on your eBay products, which this is actually optional if you want to enter your PayPal email address as well. Now also the maximum handling time is your promise fulfillment time here for products to be sent out. So we also have the payment policy here. You go ahead and read them, and basically if you follow the steps that they give you here. Well, we also have the return policy here. So in this case, choose the correct return policy to use your Printful order. So either the default policy here or none of the other policies from the list. And finally, finalizing. After all the setup's done, you will finalize the new connection. So in this case, once you complete all the steps that is indicated in here, Printful will actually finish the whole connection here. So typically, you just need to wait for a few hours or a few days for them to finalize it. And just in case if you're still having some issues, you can reach out to their support for any issues. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.